Friends, let's brainstorm today how to stop overthinking or unnecessary thinking. Let's find out what is overthinking or what is unnecessary thinking. Whenever you are thinking unnecessarily, you think that you are thinking too much or for too long. You have a feeling that you have thinking without any aim, or you are not reaching to that particular destination. You feel that you are contraindicating to yourself. You are contradictory to yourself. You are thinking in circles and you are back to square one. It is a repeated thinking. You know that your thinking is negative, still you are supporting that, but your one mind is not accepting it, and you also don't want to accept. You know that lot of energy, high quality of energy is being consumed in this unnecessary thinking. Every moment you are thinking and it is not helping you, and that feeling is inside you, and that is the overthinking. Determine what is thinking or proper thinking and what is unnecessary thinking. For example, if we are thinking in a logical way to reach to the destination where it avoids unnecessary path, it is a proper thinking. And when one's mind goes for those paths which are not leading to any destination, neither they are leading to any confirmation, those are unnecessary thinking. Our minds actually move here and there in those kind of path, and it won't reach to any level of destination or any logical conclusion. Many times there is no conclusion or there is no destination. To understand this itself is a proper thinking, or even to accept that I cannot think beyond this itself is a solution. But our mind doesn't do that, and that leads to frustration and depression. Let's face the reality. That is a proper thinking. Find out how to stop so-called overthinking. First of all, to accept that thinking is a natural process and it happens to everybody. Itself will relax you and will make you think in a proper direction. You have a capability of thinking, hence you are thinking. Human being is a very intellectual machinery having thoughts, emotions, and lots of things in mind and brain, and hence human being can think, whereas animals and plants, they are not capable of thinking. So let's accept it naturally that we are good thinkers. Find out one more solution for overthinking. That is by paying attention to what? First of all, bury your past in one gunny bag, tie it tightly, bind it, and then throw it in a deep sea where it is not going to return the emotions or any thought of it. Because your clock is ticking away. Where you have to concentrate? You have to concentrate on your future thoughts. You have to concentrate on future action. What has happened has happened. What are the actions which you have to take now are very important. Else you will repeat the history. One more solution for overthinking is chill. Don't be over dynamic. Accept that there are no answers right now in some of the situation and for some problems. Chill. Let time find out the solution and answer for these problems. Sometimes you will find that these problems are not problem when time passes. It becomes very trivial, very small, and not of any importance. So chill. One more thought which gives us a relaxation is how infinitesimally small we are to know about that. We are living in one Milky Way galaxy out of hundreds of the galaxies. In this Milky Way galaxy, there are hundreds of planets and hundreds of stars are there, out of which on one planet we live, that is Earth. There are many countries, and in this country there are many cities, and in these cities there are millions of people, and out of which we are just one whose thoughts are troubling us. So small thing in life. If you imagine this very largeness of universe, you will come to know how small our thoughts are. Let's see some of the asanas which are helpful to avoid overthinking or repetitive thinking. Ujjayi kriya or madhya ujjayi around 100 to 300 times is very helpful. Anulom Vilom more than 100 times is very helpful. Kevali, Shitali or Shitkari which cools down our brain, and Tratak in which we have to concentrate on a point, or Jyoti. Meditation more than 20 minutes is very helpful. Asana or some of the mudras like Ashwa Sanchalanasana or Dhyana Mudra, Vajrasan and Virasan, Khechari Mudra, even Padmasan, blow the conch so that you can blow the air inside the conch and you will get a thoughtlessness feeling and relaxation feeling. Mahabandha, Mahamudra as well as Yoga Nidra, they are very helpful to keep our mind away from repetitive thinking and useless thoughts. Finally, our thoughts are also affected by our diet. High glycemic index diet may ruin our thoughtlessness, prakriya or approach. So, no to high glycemic index diet is very important to get the benefit of cool mind. Thank you so much friends. Please advise your suggestions in comment box.